everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to film this for you guys because I posted about 3 weeks ago on my Instagram. If you don't follow me, it's advice_boutique. I asked you guys out of 3 things, I forget what the third one was, but one was like a makeup look, how to curl my hair, and the makeup look and curl my hair was like neck and neck. So of course I did the makeup one first because that one was the one that won, and that was the one that you guys want to see the most. But I wanted to film this anyways because a lot of people do ask me all the time how I curl my hair, and there are so many different techniques and there are so many different ways that I do curl my hair. I probably would say I have like 3 solid like curling looks. So this is one of them. I have one that I use to get bigger waves than this, and then I have one that I used how to curl my hair with a straightener. If you want to see how I got this look right here, then please keep watching. So I did put this Olaplex bonding oil the night before, right before I blow dried my hair, and I only used the tiniest amount, but because I was using heat, it's going to protect my hair, and now I'm going to use it again. But I used the smallest amount, and I'm only going to put it from here to the ends of my hair. And this product right here has really transformed my hair and has just made it really healthy. Hair is naturally really oily, and even though I'm not putting this right up my scalp, I still get really skeptical of like oils. There's only certain ones that I can use. I used a little, I have a little bit of the Moroccanoil, so I use that afterwards. The only thing I do put a little bit just right here. So my trick before curling my hair is actually using a straightener. This is the Aria Beauty straightener. You can use any straightener that you have. If you just use it right at the root, especially if you have hair like mine, I find it really does make your curls last longer, and it just makes it look really smooth. It's just more at the root. That's all I do. It's just the root. And again, this just really helps me and helps my curls last longer. I know my hair is really long. It's hard to fit it into the whole, like, okay, I think that should be good enough. Perfect. We're all done. No, I'm just joking. Let's do the good part. Curling my hair. I've already put this little baby at 390. If you have a wand and you know your temperature that you like to use it, please go ahead and do that, because every hair and every tool is different, right? So use it to your own discretion and you know your hair best. So this one is called the Eva. I will link it down below. 5 different wand sizes, but I chose this one because I want a little bit of a tighter curl. So to section off my hair, I am going to be grabbing this half. Then I take the piece that I want from the back. I always start from the back, but do whatever section that you want to do. I'm just showing you how I do it. And if you are a professional and I'm doing something wrong, I apologize in advance, but this is the way I like to do it. Just hold it for like 5 seconds or so, and then my trick is just that I just keep it in my hand, let it cool off a little bit. Grab my Moroccanoil hairspray. This is an extra hold because I need that extra hold. Again, I'm cooling it off again. So again, I'm gonna just brush it out. And if you see steam, that is totally normal. If it's like really like going everywhere, I mean, there's something wrong, but a little steam is totally fine. I did put a heat protector, so it's just saying that it's doing its job. It's protecting my hair. I'm letting it cool. Some people like to spray after. This is just what I like to do, so you find what works for you. And again, going to repeat. We're getting a little bit closer to the front. I just wanted to explain something that I like to do. So remember how I used a straightener at my root? There are little bit pieces right here that I noticed just weren't done well from the straightener. So I'm just gonna untangle this crazy knot. Okay, so a trick that I like to do is I take my wand and I go like this right at the root, and that will smooth anything that the straightener missed. And again, I just like to do that just because, like the straightener, it makes everything just look so good and it looks so professionally done, in my opinion at least. But just that little thing, you know, just really does smooth everything out. Okay, so I just wanted to come up a little bit closer. I do apologize, I had to kind of move back at the start of the video until now, only because my hair is a little bit longer and I obviously want you guys to see what I'm doing. But now that we're closer to the front and I have, not bangs, I wouldn't call them bangs, but they're like up to here layers, I wanted to show you guys exactly what I'm doing to the front because I do things a little bit different. But so far, this is what my hair looks like, kind of curly right here. So I go like this. And because I'm flipping it the other way, I like to do the bottom too. I look like Curly Sue. And you can feel when it's like ready to. Kind of like to just wait till it cools off. That bounce. Okay. I'm gonna split this off so I have two more pieces on this side. I don't want to grab too big of pieces, and I feel like that's the mistake that some people do when they curl their hair. They grab too big of pieces and then it just, if you want that big waves that's different, then definitely do that. But for this look, don't grab super small because it's gonna take you forever, especially if you have hair like mine. Like, as you guys can tell, my hair does not take me long at all. So now, for the front piece, I don't start right at the root. I'm gonna show you what I do. Okay, so again, smooth. But I start like right here. So not right at the root, but just a little bit lower. So far, this is what my hair looks like. Let me just back up here for you guys. What a difference in length, right? Like, look. But I love how shinier it looks, and you know, just doing your hair just makes it look so much more healthier. I'm just going to speed this all up until again I get to the front. because you already seen how I did the other side. I'm just getting up close again just to show you guys, because we're almost at the front again. And if a piece is like too twisted, I like to straighten it out. That way it really does curl evenly. That's another trick. It's all like little things that really do make a difference that I just learned over time. So I hope that these tricks and tips really do help you guys. Okay. Remember, I'm not going all the way to the root. When I use a glove to use it, I just kind of like got myself a little bit, but I've been doing this for so long, that little thing does not bother me, but it did come with a long glove. So if you are new at this, I do recommend that. So before I do my final touches, I just want to make sure if I miss a spot, I will do it right now. I always miss a spot like right here. You see, it's like not as nice as the other ones, so. That's like always the spot that I have to redo. So this is what my hair looks like. I do love it, but I'm not done yet. So I like to use, if I'm pronouncing this correctly, I'm not too sure, it's Osis, and this is level 2 volume up, so this is medium control. And I never used to do this step, but I've been recently doing this and I've been loving it. So I just grab the front, use my finger, really get in there. See how that gave me volume without teasing my hair? So I'm gonna do that on that side. And then my other thing that I like to use is this BC by Schwarzkopf Peptide Repair Rescue. And what I love, besides it smelling amazing, is I rub some in my hand and I just put it right here. I start at the root, and this does not make my hair greasy or anything. It actually just tames any frizz. And then I grabbed this cute little Moroccanoil. It's just a little sample. It's the light oil treatment from Moroccanoil, and I grab just a little dab. So I got about that much. And this is just for my very ends. So what you could do too, I know I already put that root thing and then put the polishing cream on top, but if I wanted to do this, and I do this sometimes, is I just pull it over just for that extra volume. It doesn't mess up anything that I did. Go to the other side. Now I can leave it like this, or it'll let back to normal. Hey everyone, so this is the final look. What do you guys think? I love curls. I really, really do. And honestly, if you have any tricks of your own, of how to curl your hair or anything like that, just comment down below. Let's help each other out. Honestly, this is why I even started this channel. If I can help just one person, even when it comes to hair or makeup or whatever, then it was all that for a reason, and it's just fun for me. And if I could, again, teach somebody one thing, then it was all worth it. So I started off not really knowing, you know, how to do my hair, and I just kind of learned tips and tricks along the way, and I feel like I've perfected my routine. And again, this is the result from it. It's just practicing. I mean, it's just all fun, right? Just like makeup. But yeah, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when a new video is up. Thank you all so much for your support. It really does mean so much to me, and I love you guys.